Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Tinder application. So what you do is you go to tinder.com/app/profile. By the way, if you're a man, I'm struggling to find a date. Do not use this application. It doesn't help at all. If you're a man, don't use this. If you're a woman, you can use it easily. But if you're a man, don't use it. Focus on yourself. Go to the gym and improve yourself so that you can get a better life standards and you can get better woman. And this is haram. So I just want to say it. Okay, it's not funny. So what we do is we first start with the application itself. So how to use it. So you go to matches and then you swipe right on people. So let's swipe right. Okay. After you swipe right, you get matches, and then you will see messages here if you get messages. And in here, you can find the things like social activities that you can find, like foodies, music lovers, sporty, thrill seekers, and night out. You can also use the work mode if somebody like tries to call you. Nobody can do that, but yeah. And to edit your profile, go click here, and then it will ask you to edit your profile, and then you can edit info. You can add pictures from your PC. Let's add this one. Let's add this math picture. And then you can check the preview to see your profile in full version. Also, I want to provide some things. You can go down and add media like pictures, videos. You can also add smart photos, and you can add a about me section. I like to play Minecraft. You can like say stupid ass stuff on here on your about me section. You can also add passions like slam poetry. You can add your passions what you like. And you need your phone number to sign into Tinder. And you can use cannabis, smoking, drinking, whether you like them or not. So you can add your job title. You can add your company, school, living in city. You can add your connect Spotify, which is so easy. You click on it and it will automatically connect. So that's how you do it. Um, you can click on the home page and swipe left. If you want to go back, you need to buy the premium feature, which is $10. Don't buy it, guys. Don't let these stupid apps to make money because it's a scam. Um, so you can report people. So that's how you report it. You click here, and then how will you do it? Oh, we can report people. Let's report this profile. I can report. Okay, you click here, say stupid ass stuff, and you can easily like report people, and you report it. So that's how you use this application on PC. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching, by the way.